Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you back here. Folks, this is one of those weeks where I have a lot going on. Outdoors, a lot of chores to do, and an outdoor cook is just not an option for me. So guys, I've got a rack of baby back ribs here. I'm gonna cook them in the crock pot. Let them go all day while I'm outside doing some work, and I just thought I'd bring you along for that. Let's take a look. Nice. And as you can see, this is, I really didn't check the weight on this. It might be about 3 pounds worth of baby backs. And I did get the membrane off. Had an easier time than last time. it's okay. And to fit in a crock pot, I'm gonna cut this down into about 3 sections. And got this nice Nakano knife, man. I still love this thing, still holds a great edge. But I'm gonna get these in about 3 different individual pieces just so it'll fit in the crock pot, guys. So all we're gonna do here, that looks good. That's probably not good on that knife when it's hitting that metal, but that's all right, we'll fix it. And for seasoning, guys, I want to keep it real simple. I've never used this Heath Riles garlic butter on ribs. So I'm a little anxious to see, I don't think I have anyway. I'm a little anxious to see how this tastes. No binder, gonna keep it very simple because I gotta get busy outside. And we're just gonna give these guys a good coat of seasoning. Let me turn them this way, make it easier on me. Just season them up, that's all we're gonna do, guys. Nice and simple. Cut them down, we'll coat more surface too. Give them a flip. Hey guys, I hope you can see inside the pot here, but just gonna keep it real simple. I'm just gonna take each layer here and fit them in the best I can. And I'm gonna coat each little section here with just some Sweet Baby Ray's. This is the original barbecue sauce. Happens to be what I have on hand. Use the sauce of your choice. Give that a little coat. We'll do more later, but for now, we just want to get these guys going. Coat. And another coat. Alright guys, it's that simple. Get our lid on here. I'm going to turn this to low and we're going to let this cook for about 8 hours. I think you can go on high for about 5 or 6 hours, but we're going to go for the long haul on this and keep her low and slow inside the crock pot. 8 hours later, let's see where we're at here. 195. Let's get off the bone. We are definitely ready to come off of here. Probe tender. All right, let me pull this off of here. We'll go to our final step. And guys, I want to carefully get these out of here. Ooh, they're starting to fall apart. Wow. Okay. I was afraid of that. I have the oven heating up to 400 degrees. And we're going to get some more sauce on here. Wow, they're gonna fall apart on me. Yeah, they're so tender. Tell you what, the internal was like 195, so I'm surprised that they're trying to fall apart like that. Alright guys, I'm going to come back in here with some more of this Sweet Baby Ray's original. Add a little bit more barbecue sauce. We're going to put this back in the oven for about 4 or 5 minutes. Just let this sit. And then we're going to get us a bite. And guys, we'll get this in the oven for about maybe 5 or 6 minutes. Beautiful. Let me let Mama get her a plate and we'll come back and get us a plate. Alright guys, let's grab this little short rack right there. It's gonna be so good. Just as a simple little side, Mama whipped up some mac and cheese for us. How's that look for a nice little plate? Let's get a bite of this. Come in here and see if I can't, it's actually gonna fall apart. it's literally falling apart, guys. It's all right. Yes. I tell you what, a little bit more tender than what I wanted, but I tell you what, they look delicious. Yeah. No smoke, which we knew that going in, but wow. I wasn't sure how that heat rouse was gonna go on these ribs, but I'm pretty impressed. Very impressed, guys. Of course, the sweet baby rays, you can't go wrong with that. Tell you what, with that heat rouse, good mix in there, I'll definitely do that again. That's so good. What do you think, Mama? Oh, love it. All right. Only thing missing is a little smoke, but got one more bite. Bit of a bone there. Tell you what, guys, I'm very tired. They worked me like a dog today. and I'm feeling it. I assure you, I am feeling the pain. It was well worth it. Everything's good. I just could not do an outdoor cook for you, and that's just the way it goes sometimes. But this is a great cook. We still got a good rib cook in, and crock-pot ribs. Who knew? We've actually done this before, more than once, so works out really good. So guys, thank you. Thank you as always. I enjoyed doing this for you. And guys, tell you what, oh, Mama's doing a cheers. Cheers, Mama. Cheers. God bless you, folks. Guys, hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification. Let you know every time I post a new video. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.